It's fantastic to be here at the Ratho Climbing Centre because we're launching a new journey for Scotland today, which is the journey towards becoming a zero waste society. And the new plan that we're launching sets ambitious targets to recycle 70% of all Scotland's waste in Scotland by 2025, and also reduce the amount of waste we produce in the first place, to encourage reuse and the recovery of property and value from what we have often regarded simply as waste that can go in the bucket at home or into landfill sites.
The Zero Waste plan sets out the things that we need to do to be much more resource efficient in Scotland, and the fact of the matter is, if we don't do this, it's actually going to cost the Scottish economy a lot more to sort out the problems, i.e. cost of landfill, cost of disposal and stuff like that. So in one sense, by not doing anything, it's going to have a serious impact on the economy. But more importantly, by doing all of those things, all of the right things, recycling more, making more use of the resources, particularly here in Scotland, and reducing more of the waste, that is going to help the economy.
We provide a curbside recycling collection service to households within a 15-mile radius of Stornoway. The local authority provide that service within a 5-mile radius of town. They don't have the resources or capacity to extend it beyond that. So we got some funding through CRNS, and we provide a fortnightly collection for plastic, glass and cans to households. Also, we have 15 textile banks around Lewis and Harris, and they take in excess of a tonne of clothing and textiles, footwear every week. So that should amount to 50 tonnes per year, which before now would have either gone to, could have been thrown out and just ended up in landfill.
Farming produces obviously the food for the nation, but also unfortunately quite a lot of waste as well. Plastic waste has been one of our big issues. We produce a lot of plastic waste from silage, wrap and bales, and it's been recycled now into garden furniture, plastic benches, and even chicken runs and rabbit hutches I've seen being made from it. So that's one thing that we're doing. In terms of food waste, a whole other angle there, and what can farmers do to help with that? We can do work with retailers to try and improve shelf life and shelf space for food that is off and has been wasted, whether that's at the farm gate or indeed from the back door of the retailers. Anaerobic digestion is a route now for turning that food waste into electricity and renewable energy, and of course producing a fertiliser at the end of that process.
There's a whole lot of win-wins in here for the economy, for the environment and for Scotland as a whole, and working together with our communities, households, businesses and everyone else, we can take Scotland down the road to becoming a zero waste society.